Dichda, a dynarch the Dolan Niverchwech, and welcome to program number 6. Fatlagenis, Dalor, Heddiw, mi have been more than treth. Today I want to go to the beach, but first I'd better take a look at the weather. Fatal Yuan Gower, how's the weather? Mi have been Mires or Thangina Montia. Fatal Yuan Gower. Otany, and gowerheddiw.com, in Kernewek, Porthbud. In a glow in Porthbud. There's rain in Bude. You use ima when you want to say where something is. Glibu. It's wet. Narenni Moors Enaetho, so we won't be going there. In Kernewek, Essa. In the Gwyn's in Essa. There's wind in Saltash. Gwynseku in Essa. It's windy in Saltash. Ew is used here to mean it is. Narenni Moors Enaetho. In Kernewek, Porth Kernow. Immanuel in Porth Kernow. There's fog in Porth Kernow. Nuliku in Porth Kernow. It's foggy in Porth Kernow. Narenni Moors Enaetho. In Kernewek, Rosvraw. Ima hole in Rosvraw. Holiaku in Rosvraw. And hole is the sun, and Holiak is sunny, so it's sunny on the Roseland. Okay, let's look at all that again. Ima and u are both parts of the verb bors, meaning to be. Ima is used to say where something is, and u is used to describe what something is like. Ima glow in, there is rain in. Glib u, it's wet. Ima gwyn's in, there's wind in. Gwynseku, it's windy. Ima newel in, there's fog in. Nulik u, it's foggy. Ima hole in, there's sun in. Holiak u, it's sunny. Grenny Moors than Rosvraetho. So let's go to the Roseland. Fatal and Gower, Drog you and Gower. Well, that weather website wasn't very good. Nivaun.
Beth da, Steve.
Fatlagenis Perrin.
Dar ar Mires, had ti.
In Point Down.
Tom I map, Matthew.
Dithda Matthew.
Dithda, Pure Steph.
Steve of me.
Dithda, Steve.
Dithda.
How you and you are in Porthtuan, Matthew?
Pertho.
Who's Tono?
Tono. Waves.
Is Ematono.
How you and you are in Porthtuan? Hagin the Tono in Porthtuan. Drop you again, Steve. Me around most of Porthtuan.
Hammy, do again, Steve.
Do Ganakwe. Mordar Thorion. Yeah, that's Kernewek for surfers. So now you can talk about the weather and say what it's like with you and where it is with Ima. Next month I'm off to the Gorsith in Helston, so please join me then. Diwgenes, bis the Nesatra. Diwgenachwi.